Hi ladies, okay. So this workout, here's what you're going to do. You're going to do 15 minutes of cardiovascular exercise, high intensity. So you're going to do as fast as you can outside for 15 minutes. So if you can't jog and you're not at that level yet, that's totally fine. What you'll do is a power walk. Now you need to push your breathing up as much as you can. So I'd like you to be 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can get that on a power walk, then that's brilliant. If you can jog, you're going to try and push your jog to a fast jog. And if you can jog, you're going to push your jogging up to a run or a fast run. You get my drift. So you're going to try and push your breathing as high as you can. So you're really challenging your heart and lungs for 15 minutes. You're then going to come back in and you're going to do this. So you've got 20 press ups, 20 dips, 19 press ups, 19 dips, 18, 18, 17, 16, all the way down to 1 and 1. Here's the press up technique. Okay, in the plank position, you're going to go down, all the way down, lift, push, down, lift, push, lift, push. If that one is too difficult, you're going to go on your knees. Make sure you've got a mat for your knees. So from here, down, lift, push, down, lift, push. Over here, dip down, push up. Relax your shoulders, bum towards the ground, push. Only your triceps do the work. No hips. It's not that kind of exercise, girls. Arms only. Dip down, push up, down.